The story of the Suzuki RM250 isn't just about a single motorcycle. It's about a dynasty of bikes, championships and riders that goes back to a glorious era in the history of motocross. 45 years ago, motocross was an obscure European sport. In America, we loved flat track and hill climbing. Even in Europe, road racing was a far more popular sport. No one really saw any future in the cult sport of motocross. The Suzuki RM250 is a two-stroke motocross bike, retailing for about $6,000. The bike has a reputation among racers for being high performance and lightweight. The RM stands for Racing Model. RM250 technology conflicts with motocross environmental laws. The Suzuki company no longer produces the RM250. The 2005 Suzuki RM250 is available in yellow. The body weighs in at 211 pounds with no fluids, including oil and fuel. The driver's seat is 34 inches at the lowest setting. The 2005 RM250 is